When I got out of school, there wasn't anything else I wanted to do but farm. And
farmers are some of the most honest people on the planet, in my opinion. You know, I grew up on a farm. I know what it's like to buy junk, right? We've all got the dirt shovel at home, or at least I do, that we had when I was growing up. But I've also gone out and bought new dirt shovels, and I break them the first time I use them.
my name is Randy Nickham. This is Dale Farms. This is my wife's family farm. I've been with them since '84. Well, I'd told Brad early on that any point that I've ever ran over the years that I've been in farming, when they get down to a certain point, they will get up and you'll wear the frogs off on the bottoms of your shanks. It's just a pain to have to continually change points.
I wasn't completely satisfied with any product that I was seeing on the market. And so I started working with some product design engineers and a foundry here in the United States. And we developed our own line of ripper points. We believe in the high ridge down through the center of the point. And then towards the back of the ridge, we take and we try to deflect that dirt so it goes around the ripper to reduce the wear on the shank behind it.
I was talking with Brad and he had some points to look at, and I run some demos in and really liked them.
Gave us some feedback. We made some modifications. We took some of the used points that he had used last year, looked at the wear patterns, made some adjustments on the final product. But at the end of the season, he comes into my office. He says, "I want to shake your hand."
I think I ran somewhere around 930 to 950 acres on a set of 9 this fall. A lot of sand, about 500 acres. That was pretty much sand. Sand is very abrasive. It is just really hard on a point.
Well, it's my belief when you put out a quality product, yeah, you might not sell 10 sets of them to the same guy every year, but that farmer is going to tell his neighbor.
This is by far the best thing I've ever had on. For a point on anything, whether it's moldboard plow, whether it's a chisel plow, whether it's just ripper, inline ripper, whatever it is, it's just, this is built. This is a good point.